Fish cake stir-fry recipe. Let me introduce a delicious Korean recipe. It's a recipe for stir-fried fish cake. Greetings and introductions. Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to make a simple yet delicious stir-fried fish cake among Korean foods. This dish is one of the most popular side dishes in Korean homes, and it can be made very simply, so it will be good for you to try. Then let's get started. Material introduction. First, let's look at the ingredients we need today. Fish cake odang is the main ingredient, and you can easily get it at Korean supermarkets. And the following ingredients are required. Fish cake odang 200 grams, 1 onion, 1 green onion or can be used instead of 12 onion, 2 chungyang peppers optional, add if you want spicy, 2 tablespoons cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, a teaspoon of sesame oil, a little bit of sesame salt. Cooking stage. Step 1: preparing fish cake. First, you have to trim the fish cakes. Cut fish cake into small pieces to make it easy to eat. Slice onions thinly and slice green onions and chungyang peppers diagonally. Step to stir-fry fish cake. Secondly, put cooking oil on a pan and stir-fry minced garlic over medium heat to create a scent. Then add the onions and stir-fry the slanted fish cakes together. You can stir-fry the fish cakes until they are cooked evenly. Step 3: make soy sauce. Next, make a soy sauce by mixing 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Pour this sauce little by little over the fish cake and stir-fry it. Step 4: add green onions and chungyang peppers. When the fish cake goes well with the sauce, add thinly sliced green onions and chungyang peppers. This adds a fresh taste and savory scent to the stir-fried fish cake. Step 5: finish. Lastly, sprinkle a little bit of sesame, salt, and stir-fry until all the ingredients are well blended. Now the stir-fried fish cake is complete, finishing and serving. Now, it's best to put stir-fried fish cake in a bowl and eat it with rice. The savory taste of fish cake, the flavor of soy sauce, and fresh green onions and chungyang peppers will make a meal rich. Enjoy your meal. This concludes the recipe video for stir-fried fish cake. We encourage you to make it yourself. Thank you.